The Airbus A350 is a marvel of modern aviation, known for its advanced technology and efficiency. Its carbon fiber fuselage and wings reduce weight and fuel consumption, making it more environmentally friendly. The A350's Rolls-Royce Trent XWB engines provide powerful thrust while maintaining fuel efficiency. With a range of over 8,000 nautical miles, it can handle long-haul flights with ease. The aircraft's spacious and quiet cabin, equipped with LED mood lighting, enhances passenger comfort. The pilots have not been overlooked. They receive a fantastic and state-of-the-art cockpit too.
+100.